Hello 3Commas traders, my name's Jared. Today, I'm going to go over the App Store offered here on the 3Commas website. The App Store consists of applications and tools made by other users here on 3Commas for you to use. If you'd like to, you're able to create your own tool for 3Commas to submit. These apps can range in price from absolutely free to $5 a month at the time of this recording. Without further delay, let's head on over to the 3Commas website. Now that we're on the 3Commas website, let's direct ourselves to the store. If you don't see the store option, click on the App Store drop-down menu in order to show more options. You'll see three options: Store, My Apps, and Favorites. We're going to look over the store, so click the Store option. Once you're here, you'll be welcomed with a list of applications. At the top of this page, you'll have some filters you can apply to help find relevant apps for you. We're going to leave this on the popular option along with all in order to show the complete list of apps. Some of these tools will allow you to see more information about your trades and bots, while other apps will allow you to view trends and analytics, the heat maps of tokens you're able to invest in, market overviews, and much more. The most popular app at this time would be the bot and free version. This app can help you in your trading journey by listing additional information for you to review on the 3Commas site when making trades or monitoring your bot. As you can see in the description of this app, there's a lot of additional features this app would add to 3Commas. You can see your monthly return in a percent, your locked funds and trades and deals, today and total profit and loss, more in-depth statistics, and plenty more. We're going to go ahead and subscribe to this one. Click confirm in order to confirm the purchase. And there we go. If we want to view our installed apps, you can do this by clicking the My Apps button under the store option. As you can see, we have our installed apps listed here. The final tab would be the Favorites tab. If you favorite an app, it will go here. If you'd like to favorite an app, you can do so by clicking the app you'd like to favorite and going to the top right of the screen, and you will see three dots. Click these three dots and click Add to Favorites. You're also able to report the app here if there are any issues with it, or delete the app if you do not want it on your account anymore. That's going to wrap up the entire store page. This section is easily overlooked on our site, but can be a very helpful section for users who like to use data alongside their trading. Speaking of apps, 3Commas has its very own app located on the Google or iOS store. On this app, you're able to keep track of all your trading here on 3Commas from anywhere at any time. You can make smart trades, start and stop bots, inspect your portfolio, and plenty more. Download the 3Commas app today and keep an eye on the market no matter where you are. That will wrap up this quick video going over the App Store here on the 3Commas website. I hope these user-made apps help you make smarter investments. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is available 24/7 and can be found on our website. You can also find more helpful sources in this video's description. Thanks so much for watching and learning with us, and as always, happy trading!